Hello everyone! In this video we will go over what changes need to be made in order to get your Canvas quizzes working properly after they have been imported from iLearn into Canvas. So let's get started. After importing your quizzes from iLearn, you can find them all listed in the Quizzes section in Canvas. By default, Canvas will automatically make all of your quizzes inaccessible to students. This is also referred to as an unpublished quiz. Anything unpublished inside of Canvas means students cannot see it. So you would have to publish each quiz so that your students have access. Canvas does not automatically publish the quiz because most of your quizzes will require additional work in order to get it operating correctly. You can find all of your quizzes for a particular course by selecting the quizzes link from the course navigation menu. Here you will find a list of your quizzes. By selecting the name of an individual quiz, Canvas will bring you into a general overview of that quiz. To edit quiz settings and locate your quiz questions, select the Edit button that is in the top right corner. By default, you will land on the Details tab. This is where all the settings for that quiz are located. There are a few areas inside of the quiz settings that you may want to change. The first area I will point you towards is the Options section. Regardless of the review options you set in iLearn, Canvas will automatically mark the checkbox labeled Let Students See Their Quiz Responses. This means students will be able to see their responses to the quiz questions. This does not allow them to see the correct answers, but it does allow them to review their submitted quiz attempt. The second option that Canvas will automatically check is the Let Students See the Correct Answers box. If you do not want your students to see the correct answer at any point, then uncheck that box. But say you want to allow them to see the correct answers once the quiz is closed and all the students have finished taking the quiz, then keep that box checked, but then input a date in the Show Correct Answers field to set an exact date when students will be able to see the correct answers for that quiz. The last area in the Details tab that you will likely want to change is in the Assign section. Canvas carries over the available from and available until dates of a quiz from iLearn. So if the quiz was originally due back in 2020, then Canvas will keep that due date for this quiz, making it inaccessible to your students. You will want to change those dates to align with your current semester course. Once you have reviewed all of the quiz settings, you can then press Save at the bottom of the page or scroll back up to the top and click on the Questions tab. Inside of the Questions tab, you will find a list of all of the questions that have been added to this quiz. The first thing I want to point out is that quizzes inside of Canvas do not have the ability to set a maximum grade value. The total grade for any quiz is calculated by the sum of points for each question. In this example, there are 7 questions, each worth 1 point, so the total maximum grade a student can achieve is 7 points. In order to edit a quiz question and the points it's worth, hover your mouse over the question, then select the pencil icon that will appear on the right side. The point value of the question is located in the top right corner. Below this area contains the question itself and other details that go with it, like possible correct answers. Once you have finished making your changes to a quiz question, be sure to select Update Question. If you wanted to add additional questions to this quiz, scroll to the very bottom of your list of questions and there will be 3 options for you to choose from. Once your quiz is properly set up and ready for your students to take, be sure to publish the quiz itself. That wraps up this video on editing quizzes after the import process. To learn more about this topic or others, check out our support documentation at athelp.sfsu.edu. Thanks for watching!